No, you got to go in now. What?
He's tried to put tinfoil on his mirror, hasn't he, to replace the glass. Is that tinfoil?
Yeah, I think it is.
I love little cars when they go racing. It's so funny to watch because it's all noise but there's no movement. Oh, they're so funny.
Prick.
Nah, he's just being an idiot. Not using his mirrors, baby girl.
No, he isn't.
He didn't use his mirrors, did he? I can't come through, can I? Because there's people behind you just block the road. No, come on, I can't get through. There's cars behind you, man. There's cars behind you, come through. Just go. Go, for fuck. You're going to make it difficult, aren't you? You're really going to... What a bell end. What an absolute bell end. Thank you, good man. Thank you. You're sensible. If there's a car, like me, that gives way... Well, I had to give way. I had no choice. I had to. I have no other choice. I can't defy the rules, can you, Benji? No. There you go. Nice and simple, innit? Nice and simple. It shouldn't be that difficult. How can some people get it so fucking wrong? I would do some police sounds, but I got such a sore throat. So we'll have to sound effect, Benji. Sound effect, please.
What's up?
Somebody please explain to me why people even bother indicating. If you're going to slam on your brakes and then just decide that then you're going to put your indicators on to let everyone know what your plan is, it's pointless putting your indicator on at all because you've already made a mess. You've already confused everyone. So why bother? Does it make sense or not? It's the same as those people that get to about here, yeah, and then they go, alright, now I'm going to indicate. This is, I don't quite understand why people do that. I'm rambling again, aren't I? I'm rambling. The point I'm trying to make is, if you're going to start to do your manoeuvre and then indicate, why bother indicating to let everyone know? Because you've already made a mess, haven't you? Yeah, whatever. Fuck it. Sometimes I think to myself, no amount of education can actually teach people any intelligence. It's just pointless trying to attempt to, isn't it? I like to think I give a little bit of advice and try and educate, because many people have said to me, oh, you educated me, you teach me what not to do on the roads, Benji. I'm a new driver and now I know what to look out for. But some people are just beyond help, aren't they? They're just absolute fucking idiots. The same can be said for those people, and I know you've seen them. I know everybody's seen them. They park in a completely acceptable parking space, yeah? A space that is designated for parking. You're allowed to park there, and people park there, and then they stick their hazard lights on. And then you're driving down the road, and all you see is the right-hand indicator on, and you think, oh, is he going to pull out? Should I slow down and be nice and let him go? And then you get a bit closer, and they're flashing their hazard lights. And I'm thinking to myself, why have you done that? There's no need to do that. You're not hazard. You're parked in a space. Why have you got your... Those are the type of people I'm talking about. They're just beyond help. I was just talking about that, wasn't I? Look, it's just parked there with a hazard light on. Let everyone know that it's being a knobhead. Wow, what a coincidence. I am about ready to go home now. I've done my bit for the day. I am getting hungry. I need to go in for some food. Just a quick video today. I know this video is not going to be very long, but I would just like to say a happy Christmas and festive cheers and all that jazzy. Look at that, that's pretty, isn't it? Oh, it's so pretty. It's even got little snowmen, icicle things on the front of it. Anyway, I hope you all have a fucking brilliant Christmas. I am in Ireland by the time this video goes live. I am visiting my mummy. I am staying in Ireland for 2 weeks. So I hope everybody has a beautiful Christmas, and I will see you in the new year. Merry Christmas, everyone. No, seriously, I don't often like talk directly to you guys, do I? I do talk directly to you in a way through the videos because I'm like shouting and screaming all the time. But I never actually talk to you guys directly. I don't actually address you, not you. I don't like you, but I never like address you in person, do I? So genuinely, I wish everyone has a nice, happy, fun-filled, festive, super special Christmas. But anyway, if you are the type of person that enjoys insane ramblings of complete disgust or whatever the fuck that comment said, you may want to subscribe, because I do this every single week. I ramble endlessly about mundane, stupid things every single week. Oh, there's a cyclist there. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.